we have an object for controlling errors, which is error. As an example, in this case, allow me to remove this one, and if I run the program, you will see we have error with number, it is 11. So division by 0, it is 11. However, we could use that with coding and printing. I could say error dot, we have methods and properties, but most useful of those, it is description. And another one, it is number. So if I said error numbers, you will get the number of that. And for description, you will get the description. So I undo that to bring on resume. Okay. But after here, instead of printing the I want to say error dot, let's say description. And allow me to remove extra here. Okay, let's see the result. Division by 0. Great. And of course, the number, it is 11. So here I could set that, and I'm gonna say if error dot number equal 11, go to, for example, I say just DZ for division 0, and here before that, let's say exit sub, and DZ is message box. You are trying to divide number by 0. Okay, let's run the program. 11, you are trying to divide number by 0. It is nice. However, instead of that, I could use error.description, which it is the short description. Sometimes it is obvious like division by 0, but in many cases you might not be clear, something like that. So I prefer to use my own custom message. Allow me to remove this one to run. Okay. And if I set not error, of course, because we use exit sub, nothing gonna show you, and just running the program.